Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kelsey. Today I'm filming my most requested video on my entire channel, which is my room tour. These are my most popular videos, and all you guys ever do is ask me for an updated one. So I'm going to show you around my room. Not only my room, I also have a new addition to my room, which is, I basically took over the entire guest room and turned it into a closet, so I'll show you guys that too. So come on in, make sure to watch your step. So I have this little hallway leading into my room and this closet, which I used to use as a closet, definitely outgrew it, so it's kind of just like my overflow closet now. And right when you walk in, I have this little thing here that I've had since I moved in. It just has a bunch of random stuff on it. I have my little crown up there that I wore in Paris on my birthday. I have so many flowers in my room. I literally have a flower shrine over there that you guys will see. There are so many flowers in my room, it's insane. So after this, once you come into the main opening of my room, we have this huge mirror, which I actually don't even use as a dressing mirror because I have my dressing room that has a mirror, so you guys will see that. But yeah, this is basically, it's like my dancing mirror. It's where I do all my dancing, all my fun alone times happen in this mirror. I decorate with a lot of magazines, and then I also have this little umbrella rack with one umbrella. I just have this little lace one that I got when I was in Venice, and I just like to keep it here. Now moving slightly to the left, we have this area that you have to try not to hit your head on the ceiling, but I always do, and so does everyone who comes in my room. I have this, which is my first dresser. This is basically all my like not clothes. Basically, it's like all my pajama sets, sweatshirts, sweatpants, leggings, bras, underwear, socks, bathing suits. All that kind of stuff is in these drawers, as well as on top is where I have all my jewelry. So this is like my little jewelry section. I have bracelets, rings, all of my earrings are in here. I have my necklaces, and then I just like to decorate it. Gotta keep it aesthetic. And now we come, now we come to my bedside tables. I finally have matching bedside tables that have matching lamps. It's the most adult decision I've ever made, getting matching bedside lamps. I feel like such a grown woman. So I got these bedside lamps. They're just like gold, white, marble, exactly my room aesthetic. I have my Bible here because I read it morning and night, so gotta keep her handy. I have some flowers here, keeping on with that flower theme, and then I have this cute little good morning dish. It's really pretty. It's like, I love this thing. I don't know why, I just think it's so cute, but I just kind of like, at the end of the night, put all my hair ties, all my jewelry that I was wearing for the day in there. And the star of the show is my bed. Basically, it's my bed. I don't know what to say about it. It's a bed. Oh, the cool thing about my bed is it actually folds up into like a miniature couch / bed. So yeah, when I have company over, this thing is huge, so it takes up a lot of like floor space in my room. So when I want to have like the gal pals over, I can fold her up and she's out of the way, which is really cool. So I have just all white bedding. I've never strayed away from my all white bedding. I've got some cute little throws here. We've got a furry fellow and a striped one. I couldn't decide. I kind of liked both, so I just went with both. I figure, you only live once. Pick both throw pillows, ladies? Moving on over here, we have the other bedside table. Same lamp, and then I just have 2 books on it. I kept this one a little bit more simple. Less is more. It's a quote. Here we are to the flower shrine that I mentioned earlier. So I have this little marble table that I actually stole from our living room. Sorry, Mom. And then I have this little gold mirrored, I'll squat down for you. I have this little gold mirrored thing. It's like a tray. And then 3 different arrangement of flowers. So I have this like really cool gold thing that I got from Target, and I put all these, what are these called?
Hydrangeas.
Hydrangeas. I have white roses in this one, and these are
Onis? No. No.
I don't know what kind of flowers?
Carnations.
Carnations, like the milk. And a Jo Malone mimosa and cardamom candle. Definitely one of my favorites. She hasn't been lit yet, but eventually she will. And right here, you've probably seen this in many of my videos before. It is a little magazine rack that I got from HomeGoods. I just have more fashion books. I have my Dior books up here. Actually, I had more. You took some, didn't you?
Sorry.
I have 2 Coco Chanel books, a fashion, 150 years of fashion, and then another fashion book down there. So moving over, here we get to my vanity area. I'm currently sitting on my desk. I'll show you it later, but I have this little collage here. I literally just did this like a couple days ago because the wall was just looking a little bit empty, a little bit sad. I wasn't feeling that vibe, and I was like, you know what? Let's put a little inspiration board. So I printed out some pictures. I basically started off with this picture of Elvis. I got this at the MoMA in New York, and I wanted to make it like me, you know, very me, very what I love. I do like very old classic music. I prefer Frank Sinatra, but they didn't have a picture of Frank Sinatra, so I put Elvis. I have Paris here. We've got the beach. Everybody loves the beach. I have a phobia of the ocean. I still love the beach. So if you don't love the beach, that sounds like a personal problem. I've got a drawing of me here, some fan art, and just some fun stuff.
My heart is killing me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Right here we have a marble tray with all of my perfumes on it. So this is my like smelly good section. And then this is my first of 2 makeup drawers. So they're very unorganized. I organized them once when I first bought them and then never again. So they're kind of a mess, but I know where everything is, you know? And so here is my desk. I don't have an actual desk chair, but I thought that this was really cute to have this little ottoman. It's tufted, white and gold. It was very on brand for me. So yeah, basically this is like a multi-purpose desk. It is my vanity, so I can do my makeup in front of the window and have like, you know, the lighting, as well as this is, you know, where I do my editing, where I write notes, all that kind of stuff. So I just try to generally keep it pretty empty. I've got my makeup brushes there. That is the mirror that I use. And then over here we have the second of the 2 makeup organizers, and like I said, it's very unorganized, not cute in there. And over here in this corner is my little chill spot, which is my favorite spot ever. I actually lied. I don't do my editing over there. I'll be honest with y'all. This is where I do my editing. And then over here is probably like my new favorite section of my room. So basically I have this matching, like, I didn't mean them to match, but they match perfectly. I have this little tufted chair. I thought it was gonna be white, but it came in like this creamy off-white, but I kind of don't mind it. And then we have this little table, which I also stole from the downstairs. And then I have some like little Dior bags and boxes under there. Every time I buy from one of my favorite designer stores, always keep the bags and boxes because you can decorate with them. Life hack. I have more 2 little Dior fashion books here. I have a candle. And then we have the second of my 2 dressers. This one I just recently purchased just for like extra storage. So basically this is my hair station. So this first whole drawer is like all my hair products, hot tools, brushes, products, scrunchies, all that good stuff. I just noticed my bow came undone. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so I have this little marble tray here, just some go-to products up here, my little clippies that I always use. I also have my room spray. It's rose and peony scented from Pecksniffs. So it smells like a garden in here. That's what I love. We've got hair ties, bobby pins. We're all readily available for any hair situation that gets brought to us. And yeah, so these drawers are like really random. The bottom is like an overflow of like skincare products. This one is just like a bunch of books. I have like, you know, all my devotional books in here, my ballet books in here. I have like a bunch of like random stuff in here. We have my little plaque, my 1 million little play button friend right here. So when I wake up in the morning, I see it and I go, yay. Okay, we can go to the next room now. Okay, come with me. We will go to my dressing room now. Gotta go through the hallway. This is actually my bathroom. I won't be showing you this in this video, but this is what used to be our guest room and is now my dressing room. So starting over here by the door, I have this little rack thing, which is where it comes in so much handy, guys. It was like $5 from HomeGoods. Best thing ever. I can style all my outfits here, and yeah, so I just have like a couple random pieces there just to give you the idea of how I style. And then I have this thing here. It, to me, like, I'm so like weird with like organization. It still looks messy to me. I haven't found exactly how I want to organize this yet, but this is basically all my jeans and pants. Skirts here, shorts there. I've kind of like transitioned into winter clothes already, so this is kind of All my summer stuff is like in the overflow closet mainly. So all jeans here. And then this is my actual dressing mirror where I would take like outfit of the day pictures and things like that. I get so many questions about this gold mirror. I did get it off Amazon and they actually don't sell it anymore. I already did try looking up the link for you guys. So if I find a similar one, I will put it below. So basically, fun life hack for you guys. I wanted some really cool wall art for this section, and I didn't have any wall art, so I just took boxes from luxury like brands. So this is a Gucci box, and then this is a little Chanel box that you get. This one actually comes from the beauty section, so even if you just buy like an eyeshadow, they give you this box. You're welcome. And then I just have like some little bags down here on the floor just to like fill the voided space. This is my little table that you've also seen in tons of my videos before. There's nothing actually like in it, but I just have some sunglasses here. As you can tell, there's like a couple missing, but more flowers, another Jo Malone candle. This one is also mimosa and cardamom. You know that I really love this candle. We have this little shoe rack that just kind of holds like my ankle boots. Here I have my little purse organizer. This I got from Target. I've had it for so long and it just kind of seemed like perfect to have my purses on it. So they're just kind of, I tried to color coordinate them, but it didn't work exact. And then this right here, I have this like huge tall shoe rack thing. I had to cut down on my shoe collection. This is like a third of what it used to be, and I know it still seems like a lot of shoes. And then over here is the most fun part, which are my clothing racks. So basically I have all these racks. They are organized. They might not look too organized, but basically you're probably like, how does that even work? Like, how do you get places? So these are actually like movable racks, so if I need to
They're
get
on
something,
casters.
yeah, I can just like, be like, oh my god, look. You know? Yeah, it works. So I just kind of like, you know, get to move them around a little bit. This clothing rack, what this is it's dresses, rompers, and two-piece sets. And then I still have a couple of summer tops in the back, like crop tops, tank tops. This one is all of my shirts. So anything like blouses, t-shirts, bodysuits, things like that go here. This is literally all sweaters. Like I said, I started transitioning into my fall-winter wardrobe, so I have a lot more sweaters. So many sweaters. And then this is just jackets. And then this is basically all of my new or unworn pieces. So anything that like companies send me that are more priority for me to shoot, or pieces that I've bought that I haven't, you know, just worn yet go here. So when I'm styling or getting ready to take a pic, this is most likely like where I would go towards, and I have a couple more random jackets in the back. So that is basically my dressing room. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little room tour. I had so much fun. These are my favorite videos. I understand why you guys like them so much. They are my favorite videos too. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up to let me know. That way I can maybe do more room sort of videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos every single week, one on Tuesday and one on Friday. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!